We'll continue with AI. Our next guest says there will be an explosion of humanoid AI robotics in 2026. SandboxAQ CEO Jack Hidary joins us now on the cutting edge of both quantum and AI. Jack, it's Happy New Year. It's always good to have you. So what is your prediction here?
Happy New Year, David. Good to see you.
Thank you, Jack.
Good to see you. What are you predicting here when it comes to our robotic future?
Well, 2026 is going to be an explosive year for AI. First, we're going to see robots hit us in many, many different ways and get on the radar of a lot of investors. Let's start, first of all, with robo-cars. Waymo, we already see the success. Waymo just announced 450,000 paid rides a week. We expect Tesla to try to get to similar numbers by mid to end year. Tesla right now only has 130 robo-taxis on the road. Waymo has 2,500 cars on the road. Expect to see Tesla match Waymo's numbers over the next 3-4 quarters. And I think Waymo will reach 1 million rides, paid rides a week by Q3 of this year. So a prediction for you all on that. So that's one kind of robot. We have to really relook at Tesla as a robotics company, not as a car manufacturer. And the discussion today that people have about how many cars did Tesla sell is actually irrelevant to the future of Tesla. We have to relook at this as a robotics company. So robotaxi, robot cars is one aspect. Look at Waymo, look at Tesla robotaxis. Now let's look at humanoid robots. If we look at Optimus, if we look at Figure AI on the private side, if we look at the Chinese companies, your colleague was just talking about various companies in China and South Korea. Unitree is an example of a Chinese robotics company. You're going to start seeing robots hit big in B2B first before consumer. The B2B areas that I'm predicting, Sarah and David, are one, logistics and warehouses. If you look at Amazon, Amazon has over 1 million non-humanoid robots today, right now in their warehouses. They're going to announce this year their use of humanoid robots that will start rolling out this year, next year, and the year after as this scales. And so expect to see hundreds of thousands eventually of these humanoid robots in the logistics and supply chain area. Also expect to see robots. There's already tests happening in hospitals around the U.S. right now, not replacing doctors and nurses. Don't worry, robots are not coming into the surgical theater, but they are doing the basic tasks around the hospital of linens, towels, food, sanitizing with UV the rooms to get rid of MRSA, MRSA, which is a horrible pathogen that kills 100,000 people a year. Robots are better at that job than humans can do. And so we're going to start seeing robots begin to enter the radar this year and start to scale in the 2 years after that.